Hey everybody, want to talk a little bit about dehydration and your performance, right, and athletic performance in particular, right? So what we need to do or need to know are certain facts about how we can measure water and water loss, right? First thing is to understand that 1 pint of water is equal to 16 ounces or 1 pound, right? So a pint of water is like that regular small water bottle size that you would get, like the plastic water bottles you get out of like a vending machine or something. All right. And our daily recommendation, so what is kind of recommended that we do to just maintain our general health, is 3 liters per day. So that's like 6 pounds of water. So most of us probably aren't even coming close to getting that much. You have to deliberately, like really actively try to drink that much. And that's not even talking about with exercise, right? So how do we understand like how we can track it, right? So we kind of have this idea that 1 pint equals 1 pound, right? So what ends up happening is, like, particularly like during like sporting events or like long duration runs or marathons and stuff like that, you'll track your dehydration, you'll track your water levels by how much you weigh. So they get your initial weight, you exercise, you go through the day, right? And if you start to lose too much water, they actually like pull you from events or something. Right, so like the easiest way is just kind of track what you weigh pre-exercise and post-exercise, so you kind of understand how much water you've lost, and then understand like what you need to do or how much you need to drink to get that weight back into you, right? So again, it's kind of like, hey, I exercise, I lose 2 pounds. I know that I got to intake 32 ounces of water to offset what I just did exercise-wise. And then in relation to your exercise performance, when you start looking at like what happens to the body when you start to become dehydrated, right? So if you have 3% of your body weight lost, right, from dehydration, you're talking about like a significant diminishes your athletic performance. All right. So if you're a 200-pound male or a 200-pound person and you lose 6 pounds from water loss, right, like you're in a bad spot, right? And then you look a little further, the one underneath there, 7 to 10% of like weight loss from water can lead to death. That's really hard to get to. You have to be exercising a long time in extreme weather and not taking any water in. But yeah, there's your dehydration performance relationship.